Hello friends, it's Marina here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, a warm welcome to you too. Today I'm excited to guide you through creating this adorable mini scarf neckerchief, a crochet pattern that I designed because I noticed a lack of crochet options compared to the considerable amount of knitting patterns for similar accessories. This mini scarf is incredibly versatile, suitable for any season, and complements a variety of outfits. So if you are intrigued, let's jump right in. First, here is what you'll need. One ball of Cardiff Cashmere Classic from Cardiff Cashmere, an Italian luxury yarn brand that generously sponsored our crochet retreat this year. If you didn't know, my business partner Emma and I hosted a fantastic 5-night crochet retreat last fall. If you fancy joining like-minded people and have a great time, you can learn more about our 2024 retreat by clicking the link below. I chose color 662 called Marilyn and use only one ball to create a 33.5-inch long scarf, stretched and not blocked. My intention was to give you the option of making this cute accessory by purchasing only one ball of yarn, considering that cashmere can be quite pricey. Nevertheless, the scarf is highly adaptable, allowing you to easily crochet it to a longer length if desired. Cardiff Cashmere offers a variety of color combinations, so feel free to check their website and find the nearest shop in your area. The link is also down below. If Cashmere Classic is not your choice, feel free to use any sport yarn of your preference, approximately 25 grams or 110 meters. Other supplies are a 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, tape measure, scissors, stitch markers. A friendly reminder that if you are less into visuals and more into reading, a simplified written pattern is available on my website and other shopping platforms like Etsy, Ravelry and Lovecraft. Begin by chaining 4, single crochet into the second chain from the hook and the next 2 chains for a total of 3 stitches. Chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the first stitch, skip 1 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1, turn, 2 half double crochet in the back loop only in the first stitch, one half double crochet back loop only, 2 half double crochet back loop only in the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, skip 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1, turn, 2 half double crochet back loop only in the first stitch, one half double crochet back loop only across until 1 stitch before the end, 2 half double crochet back loop only into the last stitch, chain 1, turn. As you can tell, this design follows a 2-row pattern repeat, so you must repeat row 4 and row 5. So repeat row 4, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, skip 1, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, repeat until the last stitch and insert 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn. Now you need to repeat row 5. So 2 half double crochet back loop only into the first stitch, 1 half double crochet back loop only across until 1 stitch before the end, 2 half double crochet back loop only into the last stitch. Continue increasing into the half double crochet row until you reach the desired width, stopping around row 20, so approximately 5 inches. After that, continue the pattern repeat without increasing. So 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, skip 1. Repeat 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1 until the last stitch, and insert 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1, turn. Next row is 1 half double crochet back loop only across. Chain 1, turn. Continue this pattern until row 98, so around 24 inches, adjusting the length as desired and as explained in the introduction. Now it's time to decrease, mirroring the increase you previously worked. So 1 half double crochet, 2 together back loop only, 1 half double crochet back loop only across until 2 stitches before the end, one half double crochet, 2 together back loop only, chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the first stitch, skip 1, repeat 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1 until the last stitch. Insert 1 single crochet into the last stitch, chain 1, turn. Continue decreasing this way until you have 3 stitches remaining. Chain 1, turn, 2 single crochet and 1 slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Weave in all the ends and there you have it. You can style it by wrapping it around your neck once like a neckerchief for a vintage look, or twice for a bit more warmth, depending on your outfit, style and personal preference. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, drop a comment below to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Feeling inspired? Check out my other videos here and stay tuned for the next one. See you next time!